This video is about the Central Park Conservancy Rustic Team. Meet the team behind the rustic woodwork at Central Park's Billy Johnson Playground. Juan speaking.
Well, we did a lot of the rustic work that you see in the playground, and these guys they're pretty skilled in chainsaw work and stuff like that.
Sam speaking. Shots of rustic arbors.
You don't see many playgrounds with woodwork, so this is a bit rare.
Hamid speaking. Shots of a rustic pergola and benches.
Yeah, this is kind of job that needs a lot of skills and needs a lot of attention. And when I first arrived here to the Conservancy, I really dreamed to be with this team. They are the masters of the Central Park Conservancy rustic work. My favorite is the gazebo.
Shots of a rustic gazebo. Rith speaking.
Every little piece of structure in here is my favorite because, take a lot of work.
Sam speaking.
I like the benches back here in the toddler area. Yeah.
Juan speaking. Shots of kids playing in the Billy Johnson Playground.
It's fun. I love to see the kids play and enjoy the park and have fun.
Sam speaking.
I just get out their way, let them have fun.
Central Park Conservancy. Thanks to the Central Park Conservancy staff for sharing their stories. Hamid, Rith, Juan, Sam. CentralParkNYC.org.